Hi, in today's video, we'll discuss how to get money off your unemployment card. Watch until the end to learn this and much more. To withdraw money from an ATM. On your web browser, visit moneynetwork.com to find ATMs near you that are compatible with your ED card. Visit the ATM with your ED card and insert it into the machine. Enter your PIN and select the type of transaction as withdrawal. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and finish the transaction. Once approved, pick up your money in the card from the ATM. To withdraw money at the bank. Visit a bank near you that's compatible with MasterCard. A request to withdraw cash from your ED card. Provide all the requested details, including card details, personal identification, and amount. Once approved, the bank agent will hand over the cash. To request cash back at an eligible store. Visit an eligible store, select items, and pay using your ED card PIN. After the transaction, request cash back from the attendant. So there you have it. Follow these steps to get money off your unemployment card. Thanks for watching. Until next time.